Hi there, and welcome to the second class of mole concept. Last class, we dealt with the introduction to mole, which I'll drop the link to last class in the description of the video. So in that last class, I've explained the foundations and the basic things you need to know when it comes to mole. So on solving these problems here, we just dive into the solvings and then we look at how to possibly evaluate these problems. So let's look at yet several past questions on mole concept and let's see what we get. It says that calculate the mass of 2.8 times 10 to the power 24 atom of Fe. By the way, your Fe is just ion, right? Your Fe there is ion with atomic number 6, mass number 56, right? The mass number is 56. So it says here, that calculate the mass. So I'm looking for mass in that case of 2.8 times 10 to the power 24 atom. So I'm given atom here, that is number of particle, which is atom here. So number of atom given here is what? Is 2.8 times 10 to the power 24. That says of Fe. All right, let's get this done, please. Calculate the mass. We're looking for mass. So mass is we're looking for mass. Mass is unknown. We said to solve any problem under mole concept, recall your three equations first. That is, recall that we said that mole is equal to mass all over molar mass equal to number of particle over Avogadro's constant, which is what? 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. In this case here, I have just equation 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Which one am I using exactly? You say you're only allowed to use 2. In this question now, I'm looking for mass. I'm looking for mass. So it means that I must take equation 2. I'm taking equation 2. What again am I looking for? I'm given what again? Number of particles is given. That's atom here. So I'm using what? Equation 3 too. Because I'm given number of particles, which is atom here. So I'm using these two equations. So therefore I'll be using mass all over molar mass, which is equal to number of particles, in this case atom. So number of atom all over Avogadro's constant, 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. In this case here, what's my mass? Mass is unknown, that I'm looking for. So I have mass all over molar mass is what? In this case here, I'm just given ion as atomic mass 56. An ion is not a compound, it's just an element. So for an element, I said that in our last class, for an element, the molar mass of just an element is equal to the mass of that element. What's the mass of Fe? That's 56, right? Which is equal to number of particles. In this case is what? 2.8 times 10 to the power 24 all over Avogadro's constant. So that's 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. I'm looking for mass. Do you normal cross multiply? So this times this, and then this times this. So this times this, I'll have 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 mass equal to this times this. I'll have 56 times 2.8 times 10 to the power 24, right? If I'm doing my normal math here, this should become, I'm looking for mass. So divide here by what? 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. What do you observe? This one here will cancel this one. So mass now, my mass now is equal to, if I divide this by this, I shall have about 2.60 gram. Mass is in gram. So the number of mass, it says that calculate the mass. So the mass now is 2.60 gram, as you can see. So let's have to solve this particular problem. Let's look at example 2. Example 2, right? Let's do example 2. Hold on guys a little bit. Let me tell you what you need to know. Actually, I'm running a membership program, right, which can help you a lot. So to join my channel membership, it's quite easy task, right? As you can see, the icon I'm showing you here, that icon is my membership opportunities, which you can access monthly. So I'll drop the link to the membership in the description of this video, right? So just click there, click on the membership link, so you purchase the one you want. So I have for JAM and YA classes, and also I have for 100 level students. So whichever one suits you, click there and subscribe. Perhaps click there and purchase the one of your choice. Anyone you purchase, there are several advantage videos that I will not allow people to see. So it's for only those who have joined the channel that will have access to those even advanced problems. And also, I do help students from different countries to solve their assignments. So if you're in UK or abroad or Canada or anywhere you are in the world and you want me to help you do your assignments, you can simply you can simply visit me on my WhatsApp number, or also share this video. I'll drop a link to a website there. In the website, you can register with us and you let us know which assignment you want us to help you to do. Do well to join the channel. Thank you. You can proceed with your learning now. It says that what is the mass of 1.94 × 10⁻20 moles of CO2? What is the mass? So next I'm looking for mass. So what is the mass of 1.94 × 10⁻20 moles of CO2? So in this case here, what is the mass? So mass there is what I'm looking for of so I'm given 1.94 × 10⁻20 molecules, right, of CO2, right? So in this case now, the compound given is what? CO2. So I'm given number of molecule. The compound is the compound given. So number of molecule here. So number of molecule given here is equal to 1.94 times 10⁻20. So this molecule represents number of particles that we usually use. That concept of number of particles, right? So let's say I can get this done. I'm looking for mass. So it's quite easy. We say first things first, record this mass. So recall that mole is equal to mass over molar mass, which is equal to number of particles, number of the particle here is molecule, number of molecule all over Avogadro's constant, which is what? 6.02 times 10⁻23. If I may ask you, in equation 1, 2, and 3, which am I using to solve this problem? Of course, I'm only for mass. I will go to equation 2 first. I'm using the number of molecule here, which represent the number of particle. I'm using equation 3. So I'm using 2 and 3. In that case, I'll have mass all over molar mass, which is equal to number of molecule per se, molecule all over Avogadro's constant 0.02 times 10 to the power 23. What's your mass? That's what we're looking for. So I have mass all over molar mass. By the way, the compound here, this is not a compound, it's not an element. This is combination of carbon and 2 oxygen. So I'll try to find the molar mass of this compound. I have CO2. Let's get molar mass. Carbon is atom number 12, Abby. So I have 12 plus oxygen is what? Atom number 16. That becomes 16 times 2 because this is 2. This will give 12 plus 6 times 2. 32. If I'm to add this together, I'll have 44 gram per mole. So this is how to calculate relative molecular mass. I've done the video right in our previous classes. So my molar mass now becomes what? 44 equal to number per mole here is given as what? 1.94 times 10 to the power 20 all over Avogadro's constant 6.02 times 10 to the power 0.0223. So I have this. Let's get mass. It's quite easy. Mass times this will give 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 mass, right, equal to this times this. I'll have 44 times 1.94 times 10 to the power 20. I'm looking for mass, so I'll divide here by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Divide this one too by 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So this one should cancel this. What's mass? Mass now will be equal to, if I divide this by this, what will be my answer? And pick up my calculator. If I divide that by that, should I have? So my answer, then my mass there becomes is 0.014 gram. So this becomes my answer to this particular question. So this is how I solve problems under mole concept. Let me give you several assignments to do, and then you leave your answer in the comment section below. I'll reply you if you are wrong or correct. Assignment number 1. What is the number of atoms in 128 moles of CS2 carbon? That CS2, the name is called carbon disulfide, right? But by the way, just leave that name by the way. So just okay, here's the thing, I'll leave the assignments, right? So you can just pause the video. Assignment will be displayed in the screen, then you pause the video and then write the assignment down. At least I'll give you like 3 assignments to do, and then leave your answer in the comment section below, right? I'll reply you if you are wrong or correct. So just pause the video and then write the assignment down. So see you in the next class. Also, let me chip this in. If you're interested in accessing our videos, right, you can just send me a direct message to my WhatsApp, and then I'll reply you. All right, thanks for your support. All right, see you in our next class.